Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a group on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then you should tap on this home button at the top to go to your home page. Then go to this left side column of the screen and click on groups. Here in the upper right corner of this section you can see this create group button, so tap on it. Then you should type in the name of your group, and after that add the description, so type in the purpose of your group. As you can see, you can upload a logo and tap on the create button down below if you are done with these steps. So here you can find your group that you have created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.